Well, it's a bit of a miserable overcast day here in Toowoomba, but I thought I'd just make a short video on how to take down the back seats on the W124 Mercedes. It's being a 124, it's obviously over-engineered, so let's go through and we'll see. We've just got to fold up the rear seats. We'll do that now, and we do that by just moving up the tab and folding it forward. And they're quite stiff, as you can imagine. We'll do the other side too. Same thing on the other side, just lift the tab and up she comes. And it's quite stiff. There we are. Now, got a locking mechanism down here, so you can't fold down the rear seats without lifting up the rear seats, if you know what I mean. Now, we don't need to take out the rear headrests, but I will anyway because the middle one's a little bit tricky. I'll show you that. You just grab one hand, lift it up, and the little tab will come up, and just push that down and it comes out quite easily. The center one, same thing, lift it up till it reaches that stopping point, and you'll see just under here there's a tab in the fabric. Push that down, it'll stay down, and then we just lift it up and straight out and pop him down there. I'll just do the other side. That's the other side out. Now there is holes in the bottom of the rear seats to put your headrests in, and pop them in there like so. Just pop them in there like so. There we are. Now we're ready to release the rear seats. Now they're a bit counterintuitive. We've got to do the left hand side first because we've got the rear blind to consider, which is attached to the double side. So here we are over on the single sided, and what we need to do is push that tab in and release and pull forward. On the double-sided seat, got the little tab next to, we just push that in and release and pull forward. If you don't push that tab in, you can't release. So we need to push that in, let it go, and pull forward, and it will fold down. And it's easy as that. In reverse, that clicks into place and that's secure. We need to put the other side up first. You just stand this single-sided seat up. Take the headrests out. Secure them in their positions. Watch out for that other seat belt, and it'll click into place. Same on this side. You'll see that little tab pop up. Trying to do this single hand is not much fun, but anyway, we'll get there. And there we are, all done.